G'day, it's Nat. Let's check out what's been making news. 10 postcodes in Victoria are going into lockdown tonight after a rise in COVID-19 cases. That'll affect more than 300,000 people. Here's Charlotte with more.
While most of the country is getting back to semi-normal post-COVID life, things in Victoria aren't looking so great.
But off the top, we have 2231 cases of coronavirus in Victoria. That's plus 73 on yesterday.
Premier Daniel Andrews has already told Victorians to get ready because to stop the spread, something has to change.
So the following postcodes will be the subject to the stay-at-home order, with only 4 permitted reasons to leave your home.
That's happening tonight, by the way, and 10 postcodes will be in full lockdown, affecting 36 suburbs around the state and more than 300,000 people.
It means people in those areas have to stay at home unless they're going shopping for food, exercising, providing care or going to a doctor, or going to work or study if they can't do it from home.
The Premier's also asking them to get tested for the virus, even if they don't have any symptoms.
If we all work together and if we all stick together over these next 4 weeks, we can regain control of community transmission.
He says it's a really important time to follow the recommended advice, so Victoria can get back on track as quickly as possible.
A new security law has gone into force in Hong Kong today, but a lot of people living there aren't happy about it. The law gives China more power over Hong Kong. People there are worried that the law will end freedom of speech and prevent them from protesting about the way Hong Kong is being run. We've got a new video that explains everything you need to know about Hong Kong, and you can watch it right now on our channel. Today is Territory Day. It marks the day the Northern Territory appointed its very own government. And every year, Territorians, like me, celebrate it. But this year, because of COVID-19, it's going to look a little different.
Happy Territory Day! Are you okay?
That's Nat's brother and sister. And for them and all Territorians, officially, July 1st is the day to celebrate when the NT got its own government. But for most people, it's all about these. It's the one day of the year it's legal for people to purchase and set off fireworks. Wait, Nat, is that really a thing?
Yeah.
But this year, because of COVID-19, firework displays and events have been cancelled. So, Territorians have had to find other ways to celebrate.
The first ever Territory Day Schools video contest has been outstanding.
This is one of them. The government ran a contest asking schools to make videos about why they love the NT.
The NT because there's a lot of stuff and things to do. I like the NT because I catch fish.
47 schools entered, and today the winners have been announced, with 3 schools taking home prizes worth $5,000. Pretty cool. Happy Territory Day, Territorians.
It's that time of day again, your stomach's rumbling, and you could really do with a bite to eat. It's time for I'm feeling kinda peckish. I really am. Steak comes from cows, right? Well, this steak doesn't. A company in Israel has come up with a way to 3D print steaks made from plants.
We're working on really good, really tasty meat that doesn't come from animals. Instead of using cows, we're using technology, in our case, 3D printing.
Well, when it has to look like steak and taste like steak, I guess you could say there's a lot at stake. Speaking of what's at stake, check out this poor bear who's obviously succumbed to its peckish nature. Stuck with a jar on its head, it was just swimming aimlessly into the horizon. Luckily, this family stepped in to help.
We saved our little bear!
Good job, buddy.
Swim happy!
Imagine waiting 16 years to satisfy your cravings. Well, that's what happened in South Korea with the release of this green onion flavoured cereal. Ugh, I know, right? But there's a good reason. You see, back in 2004, a cereal company ran a competition asking people to vote for a new flavour. The choice was between chocolate and green onion. It was basically a joke, and they'd always planned chocolate to win. But the people of South Korea had other plans. So, after 16 long years, they finally delivered on their promise of green onion flavoured cereal. That's all the news for today. We'll be back again tomorrow. In the meantime, have a great Territory Day.